Welcome to Brothers Boosted. Today we're going to do a two-part video. I'm Josh. We're going to do LEDs, the T5s. We're going to do the keyring light, and then we're going to do the gauge clusters. They are the T5 LEDs. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to go with the red. It's supposed to storm, and then it's supposed to drop down like 20 degrees, so hopefully I can get this done before then. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and get right into it. There's supposed to be a screw. Mine's not there. I don't know where it's at, but just kind of go ahead and start kind of pulling on it a little bit. Kind of lift up on this a little bit. You're gonna have to snake this out. There we go. That's the ring right there. I'm gonna kind of clean that up. There it is. It's a little tiny thing. But here's where it's gonna come from. This little piece right here. Now these are polarized, so if it doesn't work the first time, just make sure you take it out and flip it. So we're gonna see right now. No power. Flip it. There it is. I didn't go crazy about cleaning it. I just wanted to get a lot of the stuff out of there. Just the dirt and whatnot. So that's where the light is going to go into. You're going to get it twisted into there. There's also this little notch right here. There's one on this side too. Check it out. Slide that down in there. Bottom part, make sure this little hole right here, you put the lever back into. It's gonna take a little bit of work to get it back on, but don't be too afraid of it. It'll be fine. As long as you're not like being a Hulk about it, it should go back together with no problem. And that's how you install a T5 LED into the light ring.